Hi everyone, welcome to another video by the Schneider Electric solar team. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of our newest Edge devices, that is the Inside Home and the Inside Facility. We're going to be unboxing both the devices and also having a look at the devices and how you can do a basic setup on your own. So, first out of the box, if you open the boxes for these two devices, what we would notice is that it comes with a quick start guide. Now always remember, it's really important to go through the quick start guide before you actually start setting up the devices so you know exactly how to proceed. After the quick start guide, you would notice that the device comes really neatly packaged in foam, in protective foam covering. There's a couple other components in the box as well, which we'll get to in a minute. So this here is the Inside Facility device. And similarly, when we unbox, we have a few components here in the Inside Home device. And then we have the Inside Home device itself, also neatly packaged in foam. Now, the first thing you notice on both of these devices is the branding on the top right corner, which is the Inside Home and the Inside Facility. Really interesting thing to note on the Inside Home is that the eye in inside is actually an LED indicator. That's an important indicator because as long as it's green, that means your device is on and it's powered up state. But if the light turns to orange and starts blinking, that means that the device has some information that it needs to share with you, and you can go into the troubleshooting, connect the device, and see what's the error that it's showing up. Now, if you move to the back side of the device, we'd notice two anchor points here. These can be used to wall mount the device permanently if that's how you wish to install it. One important thing before you wall mount though is that you would notice that there's an information label here at the bottom of the back side of the device. And the same thing exists here just on the back side of the Inside Facility device as well. Now, it's very important that you make a note of this information before you permanently fix the device to a wall. Reason being is that it's got a lot of important information such as the product serial number, which is used to register your product online. And also it has the SSID and password combination by virtue of which you can connect this device to your Wi-Fi network and then access the Inside web application. So now, if you were to move to the side of the device, we notice that's where the physical connectors are. We have 5 basic physical connectors present on the Inside Home, starting with the power connector, which is used for the power adapter. The second would be the ZAN bus port, which you can use for ZAN bus connections to your inverter systems. The third would be an Ethernet port. The fourth is a 12-pin connector. The 12-pin connectors are included in the box along with the device itself. Followed by the 12-pin connector is a USB port. The USB port is used for firmware updates. You could download the firmware from our website onto the laptop, format it onto a USB, and just plug it in, and the device would update itself. So the last one here is the power button. This is a multi-purpose power button. So if on a single tap, it would turn the device on. But if you were to hold the power button down for 3 seconds, the device would beep once and restart. If you were to hold down the power button for 6 seconds, the device would beep twice and shut down completely. If you were to hold down the power button for 9 seconds, the device would perform a reset of all your user settings and then followed by restart. If you hold down the power button for 12 seconds, the device would then beep 4 times, perform a complete factory reset of the device, and then restart. A very similar concept here on the Inside Facility as well. As you can see, it has multiple ZAN bus ports. It has an Ethernet port. It has a 24-pin connector over here and the power connection over here as well. The USB port for this is on the side, which can be used for firmware updates as well. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more information on the installation of these products, detailed user documentation is available on our website, sesolar.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified when we release new content. If you have any ideas for what kind of content you would like to see, please leave those ideas in the comment section below and we will definitely have a look at those. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.